This is the task management feature. So within a project of your choice, we can see that a new task tab has been added. And once we click into that, we can, at first glance, we can see we've created 5 tasks. And within them, you can see the task name, due date, task assignee, and requester. And if we click into it further, we can see task description and we can add any photos and documents to those tasks. And we can also mark it as complete here, or we can also mark it as complete with the checkbox. So a task assignee will be anyone that you, the requester, is assigning to the task. So they will also get this on their task list as well. We can also see, so we've been assigned to only one task by ourselves. And so if I click on assign tasks, that will be the only one that shows up. Or in progress will show us any tasks that haven't been done. So if I click on test 2 and say that's done, we'll only have test 1 and test 3 in progress. Lastly, we will actually see that our due date is also incremented in order. So it's going in ascending order, going from immediate due date to the latest due date we have. So if we add a task and we'll do October 22nd, let's do October 22nd. We also see that task name is actually a required field. Oh, test 4. And then we have task assignees that we can add if we want. Today I'm not going to do that, but for task description, I'm just going to add something random. So once we add that, we see that test 4 has been added in between test 2 and test 3, since the date is in between the 21st and 23rd. So now we'll be talking about the overall task management feature. Previously, we were looking at within each project task management, but if we go to the header, we see that there's a new icon called task. And if we click into that, we see tasks across many different projects. So here we can do the same as within the project by filtering assigned tasks and in progress tasks. But even further than that, we can search by task name or do an advanced search. And within the advanced search, you can search by task name, project title, assignee, due dates, or requester. Lastly, we have our task notification feature. So if we go into settings and then notification, if we scroll down to the bottom, we see this section called task notification. And whenever you want to be notified, if it's a task being assigned to you, a task being completed, or just a reminder, you can choose whether you want that on or off. And that's all for the task management features.